Leave, man. I had a long day at work. Let's see what's going on. YouTube. Oh, man-driven. Okay. Just want to check that. What's up, guys? It's man-driven here, and I'm gonna be showing you how to install Corsa Extreme axle backs and the Double X pipe and Cook's long tube headers. Okay? Yeah, that's what I like to see, Playboy. Yeah. Want to learn how to do this. Alright, so first step, what I'm going to need you guys to do is get your car keys, okay? Now, we're going to go on to step number 2. Step number 2, you guys take off your shirt, alright? That's for step number 3. I mean, this is very essential. He ain't no way. Alright. Step 3, huh? Okay. Alright, step 3, I see you. You know, kinda got me feeling some type of way right now. Yeah. Okay. I don't really know how that's. I don't really see how that's, you know, what he doing, but. Oh yeah, you hungry, huh? You hungry too? All right. I see you hungry, boy. I tell you. You hungry, but I'm getting thirsty. I tell you what. Anything you do, I tell you what, boy. Come on. Hey Cody, look at these pictures of acorns. Wait. So, thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned something. I did.